This process is pretty straightforward. First, let's go to the settings section on your smart TV. Here, you'll find the settings menu. Click on the common settings option. In the app list, go to App Management. Click the button to view the app list. Here, you'll see all the apps installed on your smart TV. You can see we have the App Store here. If you don't have it, click on App Store for this option. This is the App Store version option. We can clear the App Store cache. Let's exit this menu. If you don't have App Store, just go back. Go back to the previous screen, then return to the settings menu. Go back to settings to access your smart TV system. We'll go to common settings again. Scroll all the way down. The last option is System Recovery. Click on System Recovery. Choose the second option that says Reinstall. You'll reinstall your system. After that, you'll have App Store on your smart TV.
You don't have beard, you want to get same beard like me? Or you don't have eyebrow or hair? I'm the owner of one amazing brand. I help women and men forget eyebrow for women, hair or beard for men. So if you don't have anything else, go to my website conflicting.com. I can help you to get this one. I show you proof here. I had 0 beard and I get 1 beard in 3 months with proof. So let's do it now and be handsome, have trust and more happy. Let's do it.